One of Hollywood's most prominent faces, Brad Pitt, has recently been casted as the main protagonist in an action film called Bullet Train. Handsome as ever, the star has been making headlines for his net worth, which has been estimated to be roughly $300 million. Now that's what we call a sound fortune. Let's find out all about Brad's activities that make him flaunt millions and make this video more interesting. So sit back and watch this video till the end. Being one of the most influential and highest paid actors according to Time magazine, Brad is said to earn $50 million yearly. Surprisingly, he doesn't generate as much from acting as he does from producing, though his charges per project remain untold. Since Brad doesn't use any social platforms, it is likely to believe that he doesn't do brand promotions. It looks like the 58-year-old star has a strict mantra of producing and acting only. With a huge net worth that keeps growing, Brad loves investing in real estate and the world's most expensive cars. He surely knows how to keep the money running in a circle. But let's not tease further and end your curiosity by jumping right into the video. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss the millionaire lifestyle of the Bullet Train star Brad Pitt. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Back when Brad was married to Angelina and shared 6 children, Brad's net worth was $436 million. But after the high-profile divorce took place in 2019, Brad was left with $300 million. Before the divorce, Brad shared a luxurious $60 million mansion in Chateau Miraval with his wife Angelina. With his remarkable work, Brad has been surprising Hollywood for over 2 decades and still continues to amuse people around the globe with smashing films. Brad is literally a force of nature. Hollywood's hunk Brad Pitt is reportedly said to have received a $20 million paycheck for his latest project, Bullet Train, an action film. Now that's a big role. Other than Brad's acting and producing scores, Brad has an excellent real estate portfolio. We looked up his real estate portfolio and we were taken aback. Brad owns an impressive portfolio worth over $100 million. Starting from Brad's first ever bought property located in LA's Los Feliz neighborhood, the property has 4 homes including a 6,600 square foot main house. Brad got his property in 1996, which holds a sentimental value to him in current times. With rising fame, Brad's net worth allowed him to stretch his millions worth of properties all across the USA. Besides his first bought property, Brad owns a $4 million spectacular beach house in Santa Barbara. In the end of 2006, when Brad planned to construct around 150 affordable homes in New Orleans, he bought a $3.5 million historic mansion in the city's famous French Quarter. And how can we forget about the iconic property for which Brad and Angelina are feuding lately? This was the property where the couple got married and started a family. The couple had bought the property for $67 million from a joint bank account. Brad recently dragged her to court for selling the property without his consent, but that's a whole other story. Subsequently to his last bought mansion, Brad also bought a villa on the Spanish island of Majorca for $3.7 million in the end of 2015. And the list doesn't stop here. Brad's most recently bought item is his motorhome, which is worth $1.76 million because the actor likes to live luxurious while on set. Besides a successful acting career, what else does Brad do for a living? There is nothing for you to worry about because that is next on our list. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Generating untold millions from acting, Brad started a production house called Plan B, which has produced multiple blockbuster and super hit films. Apart from that, the Oscar-winning actor is in talks to invest a sound portion of his wealth in a startup business. According to sources, Brad is teaming up with a French family to launch his business, though the details remain untold. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about Brad's remarkable life and a spectacular real estate portfolio? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.